My name's Diane, and
I'm Sarah, as you know, and we have a new
guest star,
Talitha, and we are doing a fun challenge today
called Deaf,
Blind,
and Mute.
and
Yeah.
we're going to be alternating who is what.
and we're gonna be making paintings.
And this round, I will be blind.
I'll be deaf.
And I'll be Mute.
Yes.
Okay.
And let's get started.
Yeah.
Guys, this is such a banger. Okay. Hey guys, so
You didn't start yet?
we're gonna do two big circles.
You did start? Yes or no?
We're gonna
Yes.
big circles.
Don't take too long.
This looks stupid.
Yep, it looks really dumb. Yep.
Oh, that's not.
But Diane, you have to guide me, okay? Talitha, somehow tell her that she has to guide me. Talitha! Talitha! Diane, actually don't do that. Like, really, don't do that. Okay, don't grab on so hard. What color do I need?
Okay, this is black. this is black. This is white. Black, white. Frozen colored color.
What do I need? Talitha, tell her which one do I need. Do I need black or white?
Black, we want black. We want black.
Okay, I'm supposed to paint, but you're supposed to tell me where to go.
We're gonna get. You're gonna do the neck. That doesn't look like a nose.
You think I know where the nose is where?
Oh my god. You know how Mickey Mouse has like the thing? Like
What
the
thing?
black stuff on his face?
Okay.
The black stuff.
Okay.
And heart.
Heart?
No, okay, I'm gonna guide your hand. Look, his hairline. His hairline.
You think I can see
His
it?
hairline.
Okay,
We're
where's
doing
that?
his hairline.
Where's that?
You know how Mickey Mouse has
Where
a
is
hairline?
that?
Oh, Mickey Mouse.
Where is
Okay.
that?
The eyes? You? Okay.
Talitha, try to say what she's doing.
Okay, Helen Keller.
3. M.
Hi, Sarah.
Moo. Mo. M-O. M-O-U. Mouth.
Sarah, do you want to do the neck? Okay.
Do I need to wash my brush?
How
with
do you
black?
do a neck? Okay, just do a chunk. A big fat chunk.
Starting where? Down?
Yeah, down.
You're like teaching me like I'm a...
Keep going. Yes. Yes. Okay. Right, this.
Talitha! Can you tell her to stop?
Okay.
Like actually stop. Don't
Okay,
let-
Sarah.
Stop.
Get it out. Sarah.
Let go of my brush.
Sarah. We're giving you a different brush. This one's red. Where is Sarah gonna paint? In there? Okay. Sarah? Cheater. Okay.
Don't.
No, Sarah.
Ow. Talitha, you can touch me.
Okay, yeah. I got banned. That's Talitha.
Yeah, I can tell.
Oh, wow, that's so mean.
Because you're being aggressive.
We're gonna
Up and down. Up and down. Side to side. Oh, girl, no. We're gonna. Mickey Mouse is bleeding now, bro. Like, girl, go all the way down.
It's not this funny.
Okay.
Tell me how far to go. Up?
Edge of the painting.
This is the edge? Okay.
Yes.
Anywhere.
Yeah. What's up, Shoddy? Do the what? Paint what? The hand? The blue sky? Okay.
Hair. Shoulder. Arm. Okay.
Guys. How was everyone's weekend? Like, how great? That's good. Yes. Are you insulting my background, bro? Like, what is this? I sense the attitude from your American Sign Language. Okay. I think we all
I can take
ate.
off.
Okay.
Take off.
That looks demonic.
What? Okay, the
Ow.
face is not that bad,
Ow,
but
that hurt.
this looks like really creepy, and I'm kind of scared. But it's really
It's
not
not
as
that bad. It looks like a 5-6-year-old painted it, and you know what? It looks like they tried their best.
Round 2. Okay, so after a little bit of debating, we decided.
We're doing Blossom from Powerpuff Girls.
Yes. Okay, what was everyone's thoughts in the first round?
I was getting hits and abuse, and it really was not that fun.
Was I loud, guys?
You were so loud.
She may
You
have
were
said
yelling.
some stuff that cannot be cut into this.
That have been edited out of this video.
Don't
Do
hit
you want to
me.
do the honors? They can't wait for me to shut up.
She's locked in. Okay, guys, I'm starting with. Should I do an outline?
Yeah,
A black outline?
that's a good idea. But she can't hear us, can she?
I need room for her. Wait, let me restart. Small.
In case the viewers were wondering, we're using comically large brushes on small canvases to make it more difficult, right? Because they're just so advanced. You know, they've been here forever. So we're gonna make it harder. And that's definitely why we have big brushes. No other reason. Sarah, what are you doing? She can't hear, can she? Sarah, what are you painting?
Stop touching me.
I know. I feel a little bit violated, I'm not gonna lie. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
you're going to do. What is she gonna do? Diane, you have to help. I can't hear anything. Do the eyes.
The eyes?
Eyes.
Okay, do I have paint on this brush? No? Okay, give me paint.
Eyes. White and red.
Okay. This is white. This is red.
Dip that.
Oh,
Make
wait,
pink.
here.
Pink.
Pink. Okay.
Do you not see
Guide
pink?
my hand. Okay. 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 Now mix it. Okay.
Blend it.
Where am I putting my hand? Okay. Right here. I'm gonna go in a circle. What am I doing? Am I moving? I can't tell. Okay. Got it. Good? Okay, good. I'm glad it's over.
Your turn.
Okay. Take it.
Paint. Paint the black. It's gonna turn gray.
Uh-oh. You know, maybe we should skin. Is she okay? She's gone. Do you have a paper towel?
Huh?
A paper
Right.
towel?
Right on my hand. black outline. Look how innovative.
Does it look good, Sarah?
You could finger
No.
paint.
Does this look
Oh, she's
good?
finger painting. Huh?
Does this look good?
I don't hear anything you're saying.
The painting?
The painting
Does
is
it
good.
look? Ah.
I think.
Oh.
This girl is pale.
Isn't she a redhead?
Is this good? Skin color? Yes or no? Something wrong with you.
Red, white, yellow. Red, white, and yellow.
Yes.
Oh, that's why her hair was curving. You know what? It's not that bad. I was expecting worse.
The right eye is kind of scary.
Oh, it's not that.
Hey, Pookie Bears.
Doesn't it hurt
I miss
afterwards?
yapping, guys. No, I don't. I miss yapping.
I'm starting.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna start with blue. Yeah, we'll start with just a layer of blue, and then okay, you're gonna paint, like, put white on your brush and paint the inside. Yeah. Here, show the camera though.
Sarah, stop giving attitude. I can feel the attitude through the duct tape.
You wanna do?
I can feel it
What?
through the duct tape. I can feel the attitude through
She's painting the sun. You're painting the sun. Okay, wait, give her a different, give her this brush. Okay, give her yellow, orange, hello. You are gonna paint, oh, okay, hold this. I get what she's saying, you're saying, okay, ready? Wow. Hold on. Hold on, that's orange, hold on. Yellow, okay, yellow, okay, yeah, you got yellow. Okay, no, don't paint yourself. Hold on. Wait, no, don't do that either. Okay, here we go. You're gonna paint right here in a circle, a little circle. Give me a little circle. Do a little circle. I was singing this song earlier too. Lower. Yeah, there, okay, circle. Beautiful, perfect. Okay, stop. Hold on. Let me give you orange. You're gonna make a smiley face, okay, Diane? You're gonna do great. Here we go. Give me a little smiley face. Start from here. Give me a happy face, happy face, happy face, happy face. You're doing great. You're doing great. Ta-da.
Wait, this eats.
Okay.
That eats.
Okay.
Wait, this is actually the best one.
Ta-da.
Guys,
Sarah's in pain.
Ow!
okay, wait, let's get all of them. So this is the first one.
Number one, Mickey Mouse.
I feel like as it got harder, it got better. And then we got this one. I don't know what it is, but it's
It's a Powerpuff Girl.
It's
Her name is
abstract.
Blossom. Her name is
and then
This is Starry Night. Very
It's Starry
beautiful.
Night.
I love it. We actually think this is an exact replica, so we may be selling
like
it.
this is a biblically accurate version of Van Gogh. So we're gonna swap it out. Okay.
Okay, and well, that's it for this video.
Bye.
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 See you next time.
See you in the next video
When we can hear again.
when we're not doing challenges and touring museums.